If you're a contractor or tradesman looking for a van interior package, you'll want to check out Mark walking us through the WeatherGuard van interior system in just a minute. But first, let's talk about WeatherGuard. Well, there are a number of work van interior companies out there. More vans are upfitted with WeatherGuard than any other brand, and for good reason. Attention to detail, security, quietness, and flexibility all set this WeatherGuard van package far apart. Okay, shameless plug before Mark walks us through it. After the video, you can check out TitanTruck.com to shop various van packages available for your industry. Titan Truck can help you customize each package to fit your exact needs, adding shelves, drawers, and so on. But this gives you a starting point with an idea of a cost and configuration. And you can shop by your van's year, make, and model to see packages that only apply to you. Okay, enough of that, let's check out this van.
Hi, I'm Mark Jones from Titan Truck Equipment in Spokane, Washington. We're talking today about the WeatherGuard van upfit systems. Through WeatherGuard, we offer van packages for construction, for plumbing, for electricians, for utility. Really, there isn't anything that can't be put together for any industry with these packages. The shelving material is steel, that's powder coated bright. Anything that needs to be welded is welded well. These systems are designed to be very useful in that you can change out these shelves relatively easily without removing the entire package. For instance, these backing plates obviously prevent things from falling on the other side, but you can also add that security opening door right there to this specific size, and you can make it a locking compartment, as you can see right there. The systems are designed in these days to share the load of the systems all along the way. For instance, up top there is an extruded aluminum attachment piece that runs the load all along the wall. They've done everything they can to keep the loads from shifting fore and aft and side to side. That means a quieter ride and more protection and more safety. So the drawer packs use 75-pound bearings inside, so you can load this up tight and still have a nice clean pull. There's a variety of parts bin sizes. You've got parts cabinets. WeatherGuard has a variety of accessories. On that side, I believe you've got the ladder rack for the small ladders that can be hung up. This is for caulking tubes. This is specifically for that. And on this side, you've got the large hook that has the wonderful carbon fiber helmet. In the cab, a couple of items. This is called the Command Center from WeatherGuard. This is more than just a carry-all box. It's got a clipboard built into it. It has excellent security with a locking system. It has a pass-through grommet for charging up any devices that need to be charged up, and you can keep your devices securely kept inside. Also in the cab, this is the non-business side of the bulkhead, and this happens to be not the metal bulkhead, but the composite bulkhead. Notice that they have allowed for the taller, long-legged drivers. Some of the older bulkheads did not do that, so that's a welcome feature. The composite material allows the sealing of that area to be more precise, so it keeps the air conditioning and the heating contained in the cab, not sharing it back in the bed area. One of the aspects of the new systems is when you're driving this unloaded, without the weight of any product inside. Normally, when you drive an upfitted van, there's a lot of rattle from just the systems creaking in as you're moving. It's rumbling, and I've driven this van over many miles, and combined with this composite bulkhead, the floor mat, and the new mounting systems on the shelves, it's noticeably quieter. I can do Bluetooth and not have to turn the volume up beyond halfway, so that's quite a compliment to the build.
Well, there you have it. If you have questions on the WeatherGuard van packages, call and talk to one of our experienced professionals, or start by visiting TitanTruck.com. We want to put a package together that fits your needs and budget.